my gosh, I'm so tired. I purposely went to Myeongdong yesterday. I went to Myeongdong to find this album, and then they all tell me they are only coming tomorrow, and I was so freaking mad. Not freaking mad, but I was annoyed. So this, and the next day I went to Myeongdong and get it again. Dang the foot. Please don't fall. My phone keeps falling down like London Bridge. Anyway, I got freebies. I'm so excited. So I didn't expect I'll be this kind of person that buy like 3 versions of the album. But this is me now. I tell you, when she was packing this up, I was freaking out. Hey, let's see. Look at this. Yi Sung should be in jail for this photo. You should be in jail for this photo. Oh my. I'm dying at this moment. And it's the second poster. Wow. Like, they are true. It's like some people say a model should be glad that they took K-pop and they became a K-pop idol, because models would lose their jobs. Like, their visuals, I tell you. Look at this. Okay, let's talk about photo cards. I love Yang Lee Nim very much, but please give me someone else. Okay, so the first one is what version is this again? I can't remember. Orange is the names for the version of this album is like Greek words that I can't even pronounce. I know the purple one is Scala and the blue one is, you know, so basically this is this version, I think. Yeah. So let's go. This video is gonna be very long. Yeah. So people who are K-pop fans and you want to come to Korea and get these albums, but I really think that you shouldn't, because these albums are heavy. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is the photo book. So pretty. You can see how messy my room is. Actually, you can see the reflection on it. Okay. Yeah, wait, I'm wrong. It's this one. Yo. Legit. Nikki's long hair though really looks like Hwang Hyun-jin. Oh my god. Kim Sono! I got Kim Sono this time. My first bias, which is my bias tracker now. I'm so sorry, Sono. But pink hair though. He said he likes the pink hair by himself. This angle is terrible. Anyway. I got Nikki's holographic card. Oh my gosh. Disgusting shit. Oh my gosh. But this is the holographic one. I really... How is this guy supposed to be younger than me? Next one. What's this? Whoa. Wow. Center. It scared me for a moment because they have their positions. I'm like, hey, they don't have positions in the group, but yeah. You see, Yi Sung is the center. Oh my gosh. Their visuals. Okay, I need to go on because this video is gonna be really, really long. And then this is cut the lyrics book. The lyrics book is so small, but it looks good. The CD. Then lastly is the sticker and the oops shit. And wait, this is the poster. Yang Jong-won. Oh my gosh, you got such a big Yang Jong-won. Yeah. So next album, I'm gonna cut this part because I'm just keeping all the things. Yeah. I really don't know who's this gonna be. I just give up the sugar hack. This one, so pretty. It's basically just another color of the album. Okay. Photo book. This version is actually quite meaningful because they talk about when they before they became an idol. I got Yang Jong-won again. How many times do you want me to get Yang Jong-won? Anyway, who's this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I got Hehe! Finally. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So cute. Hehe. Oh, I'm so happy I got Hehe. Oh my gosh. Oh, my favorite one is the purple color one. Okay, nice. And then the last album. If I take this back and my mom sees this, and then she'll be like, "You crazy? You buy so many same version of the album." To me, it's not the same. Actually, it's kind of similar, but yeah. Okay, the purple version, Scala, I think. Yes, Scala. Oh, I love this purple. Come see the photo cut. Come see. Okay, this one is amazing. Oh my gosh, Shangita, this is for you. Can you see this? But oh my gosh, stop putting J in the water. Stop freaking putting J in the water. Okay, I didn't see. Okay, 1, 2. Are you kidding me? I finally can make broke people should never laugh. That, oh my gosh, I got Nicki for 3 albums. That's sad. Not sad, but I got Yang Jong-won again. But this one he hot though. But I want Hehe. Park Sung Hoon. I never got my bias. That's sad. That's sad. I'm not complaining. I'm just frustrated. Okay. This guy. Oh my god. Gong Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, I got so many Gong though. I wanna cry. I don't know what to feel anymore. Like, what should I feel anymore? I don't know. Okay, to wrap up every single freaking thing, I think Nikki and Young Leader Name Loves Me. Like, every album I got has Young Leader Name. Why? Next time when I get the albums, I should like change the position, because like I got 3 Nikkis and 4 Young Jongwons. 2 Young Jongwons is at home. At least there are different pictures of Nikki. I have 2 holographic Nikkis though. I may be able to sell this, but yeah. I wanted, for this version, I wanted Lee Hee-sung so badly. He's so hot. Okay, so wrap it up. Now I have 1 Young Jongwon, no, what? 1 Young Jongwon, 4 Young Jongwon, 3 Nikkis, 1 J, 1 Son, no, 2 Sono, and yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching until here. I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. When they're coming back, I do not know. Bye.